following message is transmitted at the request of the Sandia Laboratories and the Center for Disease Control. Civil authorities have issued a warning for the following counties: Bernalillo County. At 2:35 a.m., reports from these counties have issued an outbreak of a highly contagious virus. Some reports claim that the outbreak started in the Sandia Laboratories of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Symptoms of this virus include headaches, nausea, swelling in groin and leg region, sweating, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of coordination, confusion, then eventually certain death. Reports have also claimed that those infected have acted out in extremely violent behavior. Citizens are extremely advised to avoid anyone with these symptoms. At this time, these counties are under quarantine until further notice. Nearby counties advise citizens to stay in their homes until the situation is dealt with. Stay tuned until further notice.